Hey, what's up good people, what's going on? John here. Today's video is all about how you can be able to make a mockup in Photoshop. But wait, what is a mockup? A mockup in manufacturing or design is a scale or a full-size model of a design or device that is used for teaching, a demonstration, a design evaluation, promotion, and other purposes. Designers use mockups to get feedback from users. So what we are basically saying is that a mockup is just like a presentation of how a final product will look like. Say for example, you want to make a cup. So you can, like in Photoshop, draw how that cup will look like and then take to the client. So the client will be looking at the cup in an image and seeing how the final product will look like, how the cup will look like in the end. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, rewind the video and watch again, rewind it and watch again, and I hope it will make sense. So and without so much ado, let's get to Photoshop and let's do this. Alright, so here I am in Photoshop and I already have the art frame mockup that I want to edit. Remember, you can be able to download mockups from freepik.com. You can be able to pick from a variety of mockups that we have there. So today we'll be editing art frame mockup where we'll be like fixing an image around this area. So without so much ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is to understand how the mockup is made, and to be able to do this, you can head on to the layers on this right hand side here, and what you're just going to see are the different layers that makes up this mockup. As you can see, we have the brightness and contrast, we have the guide, we have the mockup itself, and the different layers that are within that. So you also notice that within the mockup itself, we have your design and we have the matte color, we have the frame color, we have all these different layers. Alright, so the layer that you'll be interested with right now is this layer that is named your design. Of course, depending on whichever mockup that you are working with, this will be different, but you're looking for that layer that has this icon at the corner here. Hope you can be able to see this. So this is the one that we are interested with right now. So all of the rest we are not interested with them right now, but they are the ones that helps to have this mockup looking the way it is looking now. So we just want to edit this area here, that has this green color. Alright, so to be able to do that, all we need to do is to just come and open this. So to open it, just double click it, and alright, so when you open it, it will open in a new tab, as you can see. So what we are seeing inside this mockup here, we now have it in a new in a new page, so we can be able to play around with it the way we want, and whatever we are going to have here will now appear in this space here. Alright, so I already have the image that I want to fix here, so you should already have whatever art, whatever design that you want to fix in this area here. So the first thing that I want to do is to get rid of this text, and to be able to do that, it's very easy. Just come and click it, and then you say delete. Or if you want to just see the text so that you can be able like to remove everything, you can just go to your layers here, and then you just come and click T. So when you click the T, which represent the text, you're just going to see the text layers, and in this case now you can be able to just come and delete both of them. So I'll hold shift and then I click the last one, and then down here I'll just come and hit delete. Just confirm deletion of that or those layers. Alright, so one more layer is left, and this is an object, or this is a rectangle. So what I want to do is to just come and untick all of that so that I'm now here. And for this one, I can just come and click it, and then I hit delete on the keyboard, and of course we can see that we have that layer here. So just come and hit it and hit delete, and that will have that layer removed. You may also want to like play around with this color, either you change the color, so you can be able to just come and double click this layer here. Upon double clicking that layer, you're going to see the color picker with a solid color appearing, and you can be able to come and pick whatever color that you want. Say for example, we want that color. So in this case, I'm not so much interested with the color, so I'll just pick any color, and then I'll say okay. In whichever art or whichever mockup that you're working with, it may not have any color, so you may skip that step. Alright, so now what I want to do now is to have the image or the design or the art that I want to appear in this space here. So what I want to do now is to just come and drag and drop that art here. So I'll go to where I have saved my work. So I have my work saved in a folder that I have named creativity. So this is just for me. In your case it will be different, of course. So let me just come and look for that. Right, just a minute. Alright, so this is what I want to have there. So I'll just come and drag and drop it. So just come and click it, and then I hold it, and then I just come and drop it here. So it should take some few seconds to load the image, and there we have. So I'll just come and adjust the image. So I'll just come to the corner here, and I can hold the shift, and then I adjust it so that it can fit the area that we currently have here. Sorry, let me just come and align it properly. Alright, so I'm happy with the way it is right now. So you can align your art with your design however you want. Then after that, you just come and confirm on top here. So you're now going to have the document being transformed. So transforming placed document. So these may also take a while depending on the speed of your machine or the memory available in your machine. And there we have it. So now what we're just now left to do is to just come and save this. So if you want to add anything else, you can just add, but for me, I'm happy with the way it is right now. So I will just come and save that. Of course, you can hit Ctrl S, Command S, and that now should have it being saved. As you can see, this is also something else that will also take a while depending on the memory available on your machine. So I'll forward the video a little bit so that we can try to save time here. Alright, so after it is saved now, all you need to do is to head on back to your mockup. Head on back to your mockup, and you'll find the magic happening there. Do you see that? That's very cool. Alright, and that's how you can simply edit a mockup in a Photoshop. Of course, depending on whichever mockup you're working with, things might be a little bit different, but that's the basic way that you can be able to have it, or that's basically how you can be able to edit a mockup in Photoshop. Alright, hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that we can share this knowledge, and as usual, see you in the next one. Stay safe, don't forget to wash your hands.